Hello and welcome to another one of our product review and unboxing videos, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of walkie-talkies that were available from Amazon, and they are made by Motorola Solutions, the same guys that have been making reliable quality phones. This particular model is the T92 H2O walkie-talkies and talk about, and the key features about them are they work under the PMR446 radio, 446 radio, so you don't have to pay any license. Dual power, including USB, 16 channels, including 121 privacy codes. They're waterproof IP67, ingress protection 67. That is a fairly high protection rating. It's the sort of thing you'd have on outdoor sockets. Water activated torch, floats face up, so if you've got it in your hand and it falls out your hand while you're doing something at the beach, or it float. I didn't realise that was a feature, but it's quite a good idea. So if we up to 10-kilometre range, so 15 kilometres is around 7 miles. So that's, I guess, ideal. A little bit less than that, but it's boats fairly and far.
Whatever you want to use them for, really.
So if we have a look at the back, is there anything else on the back? So just pause on this bit for the moment. So we've got an LED torch with white and red LEDs. Whistle belt clips, vibrate alert, hands-free operation, handy carry case, and obviously there's the instructions in the different languages, and this is the sort of use case it's on about, mainly leisure. So what's included in the box? Well, you've got two of the T92 H2O walkie-talkies, 2 belt clips, 2 battery packs, 2 chargers, and it looks like that's one UK 3-pin UK plug with 2 ends, and then a double plug for like European or American, and a carrying case. So if we open this up, now we'll try and give these a bit of a test depending what the battery's like.
If you get the bonus bar, you get a Jack Russell with it. Look.
We have literally just got these, so this is a first time video. But so far so good. Everything looks nicely packed. So well packed that you're having a little bit of difficulty, especially that way anyway.
Let's try and do it nice and neat for them. So that's the packaging off. Okay. So a substantial case.
Got Motorola logo on the front. It's like
which reminds me of Batman.
It's almost like it's a type of material. Good nice.
White clean handle. Couple of zips. Oh, don't you just love that when they do that?
What is it? Is it twist?
No,
it's not a cable tie. Yeah, so
that's
someone's thought about that.
So just listen to the quality of that zip. Right, so we're inside. So the first thing I noticed is it's got all the pocket nets with Velcro on, so things don't fall out, which is quite good. So how easy is it to get these things out? Yeah, they come out, and I can understand why they would have.
So we get all the bits out. We just get one out because obviously it's a duplicate sort of system anyway.
So let's see what we've got. We've got a zip here for like belt clip. We've got a battery. I thought that'd be bigger than that. All right. I don't know why.
The battery's 800 milliamp hours.
Got a full
manufactured in 2013, and we're filming this in 2020. So,
wow.
That's unless I'm reading that wrong, but it could just be a model number. But we'll see about that.
So,
how thick's that manual? It's fairly thick, isn't it?
There'll be loads of different languages in there, I should think.
Yeah, if it's anything like the size of the box, it'll be all the different languages, as you said. And we're not experts on walkie-talkies. We just bought them for our own use. So there's a few bits we don't include or get right. Bear with us.
Booklet there too, with something or other.
There'll be compliance and things like that.
Another booklet there to do with something or other. I guess this is the multiple. Yeah, which it is. as languages.
Okay.
Yeah, so
okay.
that's
All right.
right. So that's that.
So this is the unit. So let's have a look at the unit itself. So obviously very thick plastic, not the sort of plastic that would break if you dropped it. You've got various buttons on. I guess that's the push to talk there. You've got your lighting button. What else have you got? You've got some buttons on the top. Looks like some sort of headphone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your mark one. Aerial's small.
Aerial's small, but that doesn't mean it. Does it unscrew?
No.
No. It's sort of, you've got a torch on the bottom as well. But we'll test that in a minute. So now we need to get off the. Now we need to get the batteries out. I've got a thing here, a flathead. If you want to do that, that's unusual to have 2 screws. That shows. And it's got some thing here as well.
I think that's probably.
That's an indication of quality. That is, if it's got something like that, because you don't want the battery coming loose and coming off a clip and coming out.
Not quite yet.
Yeah, they're in there well, aren't they? Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
fine.
And it'd probably be easy to use a flathead screwdriver, if I'm honest.
I think I'd say they.
I didn't when I got these, I didn't expect them to have screws on them.
You really could do
We would have
like
been a bit more prepared otherwise.
coin or something.
Yeah.
Ah, that's probably why they've done it, because you've always got a coin in your pocket.
And we will resume this video in a minute because my battery's going flat. Hi and welcome back to the video. Sorry about that. My phone battery was dying. One thing I just spotted on these that I didn't include a minute ago was the fact that the charging cover, it comes out the side for the USB. So it's like a micro USB. So
it's a rubber infill there.
Yeah, and it pushes in really hard as well.
Anybody sort of struggling a minute ago with the thing, I think these design basics say you've always got a coin on you. If you've got a coin on you, just don't do it. So I've already undone one, and that's where the battery goes inside.
So anything in here, anything interesting?
There's a tab so you can pull the battery out easily. Not really.
Goes in a certain way.
So there's the battery, sealed with the original packaging on. And that would just go like.
Is there any indication to which way that goes? So it goes
There's like
negative here, and then positive. So it goes
at the top of the battery.
So it goes
there.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh no, maybe it goes in a set way.
That's the design, so you can pull them out nice and easy.
And it's got like an O-ring all the way around here as well for the waterproof side of things.
Now, this is some sort of belt clip if you need it. I'm guessing that
slots into
when you've got your back on.
That's definitely in there, right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we try that.
So let me just tighten up a little bit. So if you've got these, just have a penny or 2p in your pocket, a coin. It's a lot easier. And mess around with a screwdriver. But I guess somebody's thought about that, because you know, I'm saying you've got, and it does tighten up quite a bit.
I mean, we're not going to be using these in a watertight setting, so I'm not really bothered about the waterproof side of things. But obviously, it is a nice feature to have because you know that the sort of bit of kit will last a bit longer.
So that just slides in there. Normally, you've got to take screws out with cheaper walkie-talkies. So that just obviously clicks.
It's got like a release tab. It's got like a release tab here. You push, and I guess it comes out.
Yeah. Okay. Stiff, but it needs to be. So
now we just need to power it on. Now we don't know what the battery charge on this is like. Presumably, I'm not sure how you actually turn these on because we've not read the instructions at all. But that does nothing there. Don't know what that's for. Oh no, this is how you turn it on. It's got buttons here. I didn't spot that before. So okay, so that's on. So, and it's got like a film on the front. If you can remove that.
Showing is that showing the battery there?
Yeah. Okay, so that button there, the LED, red is the first one. It's just red base, and then it's white. So first press is red, second press is white. You've also got an alert thing here. You press down. That's if you get in trouble. So we stick the battery in the next one, and then try and get them to work straight out of the box. So it looks like it's on channel 1 at the moment. We haven't messed about with any of this. And let's obviously volume up and down. Okay, but obviously if you get these, you're going to want to play about with them a bit. We just want to show you, do a quick review and make sure they're working.
These what? 80 quid.
About 80 quid. Make sure it goes in the right way.
It's got a tab at the top and it goes in the top.
Yeah.
And that's there so you can pull your batteries.
Okay.
Yeah, that's quite in there.
That's a good idea because you can pull it out if it's
nice and easy.
I mean, I don't know if you'd ever remove the batteries on this. Unless you were using them that much, you want to swap them out all the time.
And it's obviously got rubber sealing there, we've already shown you.
So yeah, it's got an, as we said, it's got an O-ring built into it, so for the waterproof side of things. And it looks like you can undo this with just a simple coin. And everybody's got a 2p piece, 10p in their pocket.
You should always have a penny on you in case you bump into what's that guy on the telly?
Stephen Mulhern.
Stephen Mulhern.
Hey Steve, if you're watching this, I always carry a penny. And I'd like to win £1,000.
So, yeah. So if you're not watching from the UK, he's a British television presenter. He does a lot of funny shows.
He's on a Sim Garage. He is one of the most famous celebrities out there. Right.
Okay, so let's get this one on. Can you remove the front? Because I'm trying to film this as well. So in terms of charging, while you're doing that, this is obviously the 2-pin Euro American one. We don't want that one because we're from the UK. So that's your 3-pin plug one. It's got 2 micro USBs on the end, so you can charge them both at the same time, which is handy. And this cable does not detach from the wall wart, as they're known, power brick. So you can use a standard sort of Samsung sort of phone charger with a micro USB to charge these as well as this thing. Because obviously if you're out in your car, you're not going to have 3-pin power. That's what I'm trying to get out.
That's quite a handy feature, that.
Let's turn this one on. So it takes about 5 seconds. Test 1, 2, 3. Turn that one up a bit. Turn that one up a bit. Go on.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I sort of heard that. Test 1, 2, 3.
That was very clear.
Could you hear it?
Oh yes.
So as you can see, they work quite nice. Turn that up a bit. Test 1, 2, 3.
Received.
The audio is very clear on them, but we're not going to go into every single feature of this because obviously we don't want to bore you.
It's an important feature, the alarm.
Yes, if you test the alarm feature.
So there's a red button on there. They both have them. You can get these in packs of 4. So if I hit this, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but it says you're in trouble.
Do you have to hold it down for a few more seconds? How do you stop that? Oh, did you press it to stop it?
Yeah, I just hit that.
Does it?
It's flashing still, so I'm not quite sure.
And it's got like an open channel to it.
How you would
actually just click it off. Or you click it down again, press it down again. This one.
Yeah.
So how did you disable that?
Press it down a couple of times if I'm honest.
So you press it down for a few seconds
and hold it
to engage the, what do they call that?
It's quite a panic alarm, isn't it?
It's like a panic alarm type thing. Yeah, that was one of the features about these. So how do you rate them so far? First impressions, I suppose. Good quality build.
They're definitely a sturdy product. And the brand is good, and everything is finished well, and it's a good, decent case. But if it does the job, it does the job.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you know, you can't knock them. And the torch is a real good feature, and the alarm is definitely a really good feature.
The torch is a good feature if you're out at night and you want to just see somewhere.
And and if you're in trouble, you know, it's going to flash. You can hold it, people can spot you at night, which is really good.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, you know, I just think that's a good idea as well. This. The only difference with these and say other walkie-talkies, that is the only attachment. There isn't a hand. I can't see anything to put.
There may be other attachments available.
There might be something you can put through there by the looks of it. I'm not sure, but it's not a problem.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how good that is on your belt. I mean, that's not coming off, if I'm honest. I mean,
Put it on your pocket, can you, as well?
yeah, let's try it on the
Put
pocket.
it on your pocket.
Does it grip?
Yeah.
Yeah, even your shirt as well. It's like trying to eat everything.
So that's
Yeah, it's
really
really
good.
good.
Really good. Okay.
Well, no, it's not that good on you. You'd need to put this on the belt.
So you have to put that on the belt.
Yeah,
Okay.
you'll lose it otherwise.
So if you're out doing sports, you would want to make sure that was on something properly.
Mean, basically, you want it to hook over that, so that keeps it.
So look.
That little hook there.
Yeah.
If it's too thin, it'll just slide over. So, yeah, you can't knock it. Its audio is good. It's a solid thing. It floats. It's got an emergency thing which could save your life, and it probably lasts you a lifetime. These, so you've got to have 10 out of 10 Motorola for these. I know we often give people 10 out of 10, but if the product works, it works.
We're impressed by it so far.
Yeah, and it's straight out of the box. So yeah, excellent quality.
Okay, so if you're thinking about buying the Motorola T92 H2O walkie-talkies, then we hope our product unboxing and sort of quick review of them gives you a bit of an idea of what to expect in terms of quality and functionality.
The only advice I give, if you think you're going to need more than two, just buy the set of 4.
So they're all compatible.
Yeah,
they should be compatible on the same channel, shouldn't they?
We once had an experience where we bought additional walkie-talkies, a cheaper range, albeit, but they couldn't sync with each other, even if it's the same brand. So that's the only advice I'd give, and I'd say, yeah, quite a nice present for somebody, this, if you're buying it.
Right. Thanks for watching.